Hello guys again and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing, and today we've got this Parkside plug and dowel cutter bits model PSB6A1. Diameter are 6, 10, 13 and 16 millimeters, made from carbon steel, and today I'm going to show you how to make some dowels. Well, let's open it. And there they are. Now let's start with the smaller one first. Take the screwdriver and just break it. And there's the first small. Same here. Now let's try with the next, the 10 millimeter. Again, take the screwdriver. 1, 2. Now let's move on to the 13 millimeter. And take your screwdriver, break it. And there is a lovely dowel. Now let's move on to the next, the larger one, the 16 millimeter. Take again the screwdriver. And there is a large 16 millimeter. And there are all the diameters together. Now I have made this small hole for this small dowel. Just try to fit it inside. Take a hammer. There you are. We have just closed the hole. You can sand it, cut it, wherever you want. And the same thing goes on with the bigger dowels. Cut it with the saw blade, sand it, and you're good to go. Same in here. And that was very easy to make a dowels, guys. At the time that you need the most to close the hole at the wood, I think this is a good opportunity to buy. They cost only €5, and you know where you can find them. And with all that, guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my videos, your choice, share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.